way to a couple locations. I'm gonna go to a small airport. Hopefully I can get some pictures of a plane taking off behind the skyline. And then we're gonna stop by a dispensary. I'm gonna grab a menu, kind of show you what they look like, what the prices are for recreational marijuana in Colorado. And then we're gonna go to my favorite location. It's a rundown sugar factory. And I'm gonna send the drone up, get some cool pictures. But yeah, let's go. So here's my first location. Tiny airport. Got some jets over there. Alright, so the first spot is at this smaller airport just outside of Boulder. I'm going to try and get a plane taking off or landing with the front of the skyline in the shot. Hopefully we don't have to wait here too long. And then there's a cool little statue over there. I'm going to get some shots. So yeah, hopefully I don't have to wait too long and get some shots. Did a couple test shots. I don't know if you can see it. I like this lens. It's a pretty cheap lens. It's like 120 bucks. I'm using a Canon T6i Rebel for my first camera. So far I like it. So here's my point of view. Got the skyline, just waiting for a jet to take off. It's a smaller runway. Got the mountains in the background. I'm using my Canon 24mm wide angle lens just so I can get shots like this. So I'm still at the airport, but I just moved down to buy this badass sculpture. Check this out. That's super cool. I gotta get some shots of the skyline with it. So this is what a dispensary looks like in Colorado. Nothing shady, nothing scary. Just an old school house basically. Alright, I got the drone up. I got my car here. I got some hillbilly over there telling me this is private property. This is definitely a public road, so I'm definitely just gonna keep flying and get some pictures. Alright, we're at my favorite location. On the other side of it, this old abandoned sugar factory. Got some drone shots, got some good pictures. But I thought I'd go over the dispensary menu real quick. So here's like the prices. Topicals, tinctures, some suggestions on how to take edibles. And then the actual weed that they have. And they said this changes all the time. extracts. Here's some of the edibles they have. I'm pretty sure these prices are without tax. I'm pretty sure the tax is pretty steep on recreational marijuana. But isn't this place the best? Like, it looks so cool. But I'm gonna try keep making these videos. I'm just trying to make content at this point. I'm having fun editing, learning all the new stuff. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite location in Colorado. Skyline in the background, and next weekend we'll go to some new locations, and as it warms up we'll go further into the mountains. But anything to make content right now. I'm just trying to learn how to edit and shoot better. I'm just having fun with it. But thanks for watching, and subscribe.